Today we're going to be making an easy 7-ingredient chicken recipe in your Instant Pot. Hi, I'm Karen Peterson and I love to share Instant Pot recipes with you here on YouTube. You can join my Facebook group or go to my website, 365daysofcrockpot.com, to sign up to get daily emails of recipes. I send out one email every day that has a new Instant Pot recipe in it. But today, this recipe is super fast and easy. It's got chicken, it's got a little bit of teriyaki, it's got honey, it's got vinegar, and a couple other ingredients that you're really gonna love. So let's get started with the recipe.
All right, we're starting this recipe by putting a half cup of water, and then I put a half teaspoon of Better Than Bouillon chicken base in there. And then I'm adding in 12 ounces of chicken thighs, boneless, skinless chicken thighs that have been cut into like pieces like about that size. And I got these from the grocery store last week and I wasn't going to use them in time. They were fresh chicken, so I just cut them up and froze them until I was ready to use them. So you can do fresh or frozen, it doesn't matter. It's going to be the same cooking time because they're such small pieces. I'm going to add in a teaspoon of spicy brown mustard, a teaspoon of honey, a teaspoon of red wine vinegar, teaspoon of black pepper. I always like to get the coarse black pepper. Finally, we're going to add in a 1/4 cup of teriyaki sauce. Now we're not going to stir this, we're just going to put the lid on and start pressure cooking, and that way you won't get your burn error message. If some of that sugary substance kind of hits the bottom of the pot, you might get a burn message, so that's not good. All right, we're going to put the lid on. We're going to pressure cook for 3 minutes on high pressure. All right, the time's been up for 10 minutes, so I'm going to release any remaining pressure, just a little bit left. And then when you can, go ahead and remove the lid. Okay, we'll just give that a little stir. And then I'm going to thicken up the sauce by doing a cornstarch slurry. So I will change this to the saute setting. Let's see, cancel, and then you go down to saute. Okay. All right, I'm going to take 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. You can just eyeball it, it doesn't have to be exact. And then I'll do about the same amount of water. You stir that together till it's smooth, no lumps. And then you can stir that into the pot and it will stir, just immediately thicken your sauce. Okay, so you can see this is kind of simmering right now. Just add that in. And then the sauce will thicken up within seconds. You can see how nice that looks. Now this is really good to serve over rice. You could serve it over potatoes. You could eat it plain, whatever you like to do. And there's not a ton of chicken in there. I'm just serving me and my son tonight. My husband's gone, and so that's why I made such a small amount. But you could definitely double the amount of chicken and probably keep the sauce amount the same. So I hope you like this recipe, and we will see you next time. Bye-bye.